Good morning, guys. I think you know that. I hope, as you know, that it is New Year today. Okay, what I say? It is New Year today, 2022. Okay, so you have to promise yourself that that I am, yeah, or you can say English is spoken. Why me? Okay, you have to remember these things in 2022. Okay, within a year you can improve yourself and learn how to speak English. Okay, you can within a year. How much time? Within a year, because a year is enough time to know uh, how to speak English. Okay, so let us start our uh, make our new sentence related to our real life. Okay, thus you have to think in English direct. Okay, so with the new year, we have a lot of sentence while speaking English. Like there are two friends. There are two friends. They want to go somewhere to moving, or we can say for visiting. There are two friends. There are two friends. They want to go visiting outside of their village, and uh, first one says second, or I say first one A and second one V. A say that, oh, where are we going? We said, you have to be an actor first. I have been said to you, you have to become an actor first. You have to playing role play. What I say? Role play with yourself. Okay. You say to be, where are we going today to visiting? Where are we going? And we said, oh, don't you think it is New Year today? So then you say, oh, I know very well. It is New Year today. So where are we going? Don't you think we have to go outside? And you say, uh, no, I'm sorry, I can't go outside. Why? For why? Because I have no money to buy some new clothes, and I have no clothes to wear. So we say to A, oh, don't worry, I have some money. I have some money to buy some clothes and wearing these clothes and get ready for market. Get ready for market. And they were going to market. They both are going to market with each other and go to a shop mall. Okay. A said to V, in which types of shirts we should buy? In which types of shirts we should buy? And we said, as you wish, I have enough money for you because you are my friend. और we can say you are my bosom friend. Bosom friend means होता है जिगरी दोस्त. And we can say a crony friend. Crony friend means बोलते हैं लंगुटिया यार. So we say to A, oh, don't worry about it. I have enough money for you because you are my bosom friend and you are my best friend. You are my future. Why are you saying this? You know, I have enough money for you. Don't worry about it. Whatever you want to buy, you can, because I am here. So he said that, he said to be, I can't purchase this one red shirt. I can't purchase this one red shirt even if I want. Why? Why are you talking about? Why are you talking like this? Because this is so expensive. Because this red shirt, or we can say this red one, is more expensive. Do you have enough money? Really? We said, we said, you have to try it on. And A went to the shopkeeper and said that, please give me this, red shirt. And shopkeeper said, oh, why not? I have to purchase all these shirts. You can choose. No, no, this red one is suit on me. So can I try it on? Yes. He coming here with that red shirt and and try to put in on. Okay. So and B said, oh, this is not suit on you. Why? No, this is messy. You have to try one more. And he said, no, no, this is beautiful and I looking handsome with the shirt. No, 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 I don't like the shirt on you, so please listen to me, or please obey me. This shirt is not suit on you, so you have to try one more shirt in the shop. Look, my dear, this grey shirt is looking gorgeous. So, so can you wear this? So he said to me, yes, I can try it. I can try it. After some time, they buy a shirt and a pant, and uh, they are outing in the particular shop. And after some time, they were uh, we were driving a motorcycle and we were sitting back of A. So both are going to visiting outside, or we can say a park. They are uh, after they are reaching that particular park, they are roaming, or we can say they are visiting in that particular park. And they both are talking with each other, and he said to, oh, what is this? B said, I don't know about it. And a person who is passing there, oh, sir, please, do you know about it? Yes, I know. This is the tree. This is the tree whose leaves are very big. What I say, whose leaves are, yeah, these tree have some leaves who are very big. And that tree called, what is the name of this tree? And the passersby called this tree, we called choimui. Okay, what? Choimui. Oh, they are touching it again and again, because there are some fun with the tree. And after some time, after some time, they want to eat something. So they both are reached to a hotel, or we can say a restaurant, or we can say a uh, four wheeler four wheeler cart. So the cart one has some types of eating food, and they are not eating food here, and go ahead. And after some time, they want to purchase some things, that things that thing needed in their homes. So he said to me, oh, my mother told me that whenever you go to market, whenever you go to market, please take some books for me, or take a newspaper uh, in English. Okay, so I want to purchase two things only. And B also said, oh, you recall me. My mother also told me that when you came back from the market, you have to take some vegetables that has been liked by you. So I have to purchase some vegetables, and they both are buy all these things, and they are coming to their homes and uh, talking each other. Okay, so he talked to V. What are you doing tonight? So B said, uh, it is New Year today, so I want to read some books and do my homework with my sister, because my sister is very younger, so uh, I have to do their homework with them, because their teacher uh, don't look after my sister, so I have to create uh, an environment for my sister, and some weeks in math, or we can say my sister in not well off, or we can say not well, no, not well uh, in English. So we have to teach my sister English, and he said that, oh, sorry, with me have the same problem, because I have I also have a young brother, so this is also weak. So my mother and me help my younger brother to do their homework at my home. uh, this is the time my younger brother has has came to my home. So they were talking with each other. He said to me, you should do uh, you should do help your sister at night, 2 or more hours. And B also told A, you also uh, you should help your sister, because if your sister is weak, you have to work hard with your sister and make her intelligence. Okay, uh, so A told to B, uh, when I will reach my home, my sister asked me, but what will you take me from the market? So I want to purchase some apple for my younger sister. Okay, so they can do so, and after some time they reach the home. Uh, a A left to be home, and uh, after leaving V, A back to back to his home. And they after some time he called to be on phone. They are talking with each other on phone. He said to B, what are you doing, guys? B said to, nothing important. I help my sister doing her work. Okay, like this. And after some time, they both are sleeping, or they both are slept, and say good night. Say good night with each other and their parents also, or we can say and their parents as well. Okay, to like this, you have to create your own sentence, and you have to create your own environment while speaking English. uh, Whatever come in your mind, you have to speak a lot. Don't matter a lot you speak right or wrong. Matter how much time you speak in front of anyone, in front of maybe camera, in front of mirror, in front of your brother, in front of your parents, anyone. But you have to speak a lot, and you have to read a lot. because reading book important for speaking English. This is my thing. Yeah, this is my opinion for everyone. So please read a lot and speak a lot. Read a lot and speak a lot and make new sentence, new sentences, and and repeat again and again that sentences that are made by you, and applying that sentence in your own story. When you make a story, you have to use that particular sentence that are made by you, and that are related to your real life, because the sentence should be correct as possible, and sentence should be related to your daily life, and sentence should be related to your environment, and uh, sentence mm, sentence should be uh, able to understand to that person who is, yeah, who are uh, listening to you. So you have to speak a lot, because this is important things. You have to speak a lot. Okay, guys. So from today, from today, you have to make your own sentence and speak a lot, because how that is possible without speaking. You want to learn how to speak English. Okay. uh, यह संभव नहीं हो सकता भाई। इंग्लिश एक ऐसी भाषा है जिसे आप बिना बोले बोलना चाहते हो। हाउ दैट इज पॉसिबल? यह संभव हो सकता है कि नहीं? यानी आप बिना बोले बोलना सीखना चाहते हैं भाई, ऐसा नहीं हो सकता। आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, आपको बोलना पड़ेगा। यदि आप शर्माते हैं, घबराते हैं, देखिए इन सब चीज़ें माइंड नहीं करती। यदि आप चाहते हैं कि मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना है, देखिए 2022 आ चुकी है। आप 1 साल के अंदर आप अपने आप में बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट कर सकते हैं, इफ़ यू वांट। देखिए मैंने तो यहाँ पे बहुत से टीचर ऐसे देखे हैं जो पढ़ाते इंग्लिश हैं, इवन दे डोंट नो हाउ टू स्पीक इंग्लिश। यानी भी खुद नहीं जानते कि इंग्लिश बोलते कैसे हैं, पर पढ़ाते इंग्लिश हैं। तो यदि आप सच में ही इंग्लिश पढ़ना चाहते हैं और इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हैं, तो यू हैव टू वर्क हार्ड विद देयर बुक्स एंड विद देयर बॉडी। ओके। सो अच्छी बात है, आप सीखिए। वैसे इंग्लिश कुछ नहीं है, बस आपको सेंटेंस बनाने हैं, आपको अपने खुद के सेंटेंस बनाने हैं और उन्हें ज़ुबान पे चलाने हैं। देखिए कल से मैं आपको सेंटेंसेस बनाना सिखाऊंगा। देखिए इंग्लिश में सिर्फ 2 ही चीज़ें होती हैं जो आपको सीखना इम्पोर्टेंट है, एक टेंस, दूसरा मॉडल। इसके अलावा कुछ नहीं। इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स में, वैसे इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स का कोई कोर्स नहीं होता, कोई कोर्स नहीं होता। आप किसी के पास भी चली जाइए, क्योंकि यदि आपको कोर्स पढ़ाया जाएगा तो फिर तो वो फाउंडेशन बैच हो गया भाई। इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग कोर्स में कोर्स की क्या ज़रूरत है? कोर्स कुछ नहीं होता, सिर्फ आपको अपने सेंटेंस बनाने हैं और उनको बोलने हैं, दैट्स इज ऑल। सिर्फ इतनी सी बात है। क्या कहा? आपको अपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं और उन्हें अपनी स्पीकिंग में रिपीट 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 करना है आपको। ठीक है, बार 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 उनको बोलना है। क्यों? क्योंकि जब वो आपकी जुबान पे चढ़ जाएं, जैसे एक सेंटेंस है, जैसे यदि आपका सपोज जूता खराब हो गया है, जूता आपका फट चुका है, तो आपको एक सेंटेंस सीखना है सिर्फ, गेट इट मैंडेड बाय अ कोबलर। देखिए आपको क्या सीखना है? गेट इट मैंडेड, गेट इट मैंडेड बाय अ कोबलर। इसका मीनिंग क्या होता है? गेट इट मेंडेड, आपको ये सही करवा देना चाहिए बाय कोबलर, कोबलर के द्वारा। कोबलर मीन्स क्या होता है, मोची, क्या होता है, मोची। देखिए आपको बहुत सी वोकैब का सामना करना पड़ेगा जो आपके लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। तो इसका मीनिंग क्या होगा, गेट इट मेंडेड बाय कोबलर। यदि आपकी शर्ट फट चुकी है या आपकी कोई भी काम ऐसा है कि जो मिट चुका है, तो आप वहाँ पे सिर्फ इसको बदलना है आपको। जैसे मैं कहूँ गेट इट मेंडेड वाया ब्लैक स्मिथ, यानी आपको इससे लोहार से सही कराना चाहिए, ठीक है।